Hey guys, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can download anime or any kind of movie you want to watch. So this is a 2025 way of downloading movies that makes things easier than how it was back then. So back then I showed you guys how to download videos using a an application that allows you to download like animes, yeah, on Play Store. But this one, you don't need to download the anime in your phone, right? What you need, like the only thing you can do is to download the video, but it's going to be on the application you are going to download. So it's just like Netflix, yeah, it's just like Netflix. You can watch movies on the application, but the movies you're going to watch are not going to be in your phone. So if you keep downloading movies, the application is going to have gig more gig and it's going to weigh. You understand? So yeah, that's it. So what you need to do is to come on Play Store, and then once you're on Play Store, what you need to do next is to type movie box colon series and TV. You understand? So download it, and then once you're done downloading it, then you need to start downloading your anime or your movies or whatever you like watching. Yeah. So I'm going to allow you to download, and then once it's done downloading, I'm going to come back and explain to you guys how to use the application. So guys, this is the application. So you guys can see how good it looks. Yeah. So these are the movies. So one thing I like about this application is that the application is always up to date. All the new movies that people always like are shown here on the application. So as soon as you download the application and you enter into the application, you're going to see all these movies that are trending, and you'll be able to download them and start watching them as if it was nothing special. You understand? So uh you can scroll down and you can see the movies that you want to download. So let's say you want to download a movie, an anime, because the title of this video is how to download animes. Yeah. So let's say you want to download animes. What you're gonna do is you have to come tap this search bar on the top. After you type the search bar, what you need to do is that there are different categories. Yeah, there are trending searches. So those are movies that people always want to watch. Yeah, or people have like searched for it a lot. These are the trending searches. Then you have drama, you have movie, mini series, anime. So what you need to do is you need to just click on anime. You understand? Since the title of this video is how to download animes, then what you need to do is to click on anime. Yeah. So there's something that just happened, a bug. You understand? So that means my phone storage is full or something, but it doesn't used to happen often. So all we have to do is to wait, and then one more time we need to go and click on anime, and then we just have to wait. All right. So we have to wait a few seconds. So sorry for the how it used to show. um I have network issues, you understand? So my network is misbehaving. That's why you can't see the anime, but you can already read the names of the animes. So you can see One Punch Man 3. So there's no one that likes animes but doesn't know what One Punch Man or who One Punch Man is. You understand? So yeah, this is One Punch Man looking at us, the strongest man on earth. there's no one that can beat One Punch Man on this earth. I don't even understand this anime. Like all the other animes, you will see that the main character is going to be like weak in the beginning, then later on something is going to make him strong, and then he's gonna be able to beat the boss. But One Punch Man is strong from the beginning of the movie until the end. Only one punch is going to destroy everything. It's very strong. It's very strong. But yeah, so you can download One Punch Man. You can download other animes. You can see Gintama 3 3Z. You can see Let's Grieving. So there are different animes you can download. So you can just swipe and swipe, keep swiping, and you will see the animes you want to watch. Then scroll down and you will see the top picks. So there are hot, new, fantasy, hot block, romance, American, and all of that. So me especially, I don't want to um like to be biased or something, but I am a big fan of Naruto. Out of all the animes that I've watched in my entire life, Naruto is the best anime I've ever watched in my whole life. So if I'm to download, I'm going to just click on downloading Naruto. Yeah. But since I'm showing you guys how to download, then you can also watch the tutorial and start downloading. You understand? So yeah. So one of the animes I like is also Demon Slayer, and then My Hero Academia. So those are the animes I would like to show you guys. Dragon Ball and all of that. So I don't want this video to be too long. So that was what I wanted to show you guys. But let me say I want to download this. So it's loading. But like I said, my network is bad, so it might take time or it might delay. I don't know, but yeah. So you can see all the seasons are here. So you can see season 1 to 50, 51 to 100, 101 to 150, 151 to 200. So these are the series. So like number one means season one, episode 1 to 50. So that's season one. Season one has episode 1 to 50. Then season two has 50. Episode 51 to 100. So yeah. So that's how it works. So if you want to download, what you need to do is you need to click on this download here. You have three icons down there. You have my list, you have download, and you have remind me. If you click on download, you have to sign in. So if you want to sign in, you have to put your email address, and then after putting your email address, you create your password, and after creating your password, you now log in, and then you can now download. But you can also use your Google, yeah, to sign in. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I've already showed you guys how you can download your animes in 2025. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button, to comment something nice down below in the comment section, and to share it with anybody that wants to download movies. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.